Hi there, I'm John McClain, owner of John McClain Design and author of my new book, The Designer Within. And today I want to welcome you within my home. Let's go. So the first thing you'll notice in my home is this gorgeous gallery wall. I really wanted to draw your eye upwards to the second floor. I honestly did this entire wall in 30 minutes. I did no measuring. Gallery walls are not scary, folks, I promise. Now, I want to take you into my bedroom. I think every room should start with some sort of inspiration. I started with a couple of inspirations from my travels, actually. The wall covering was my first go-to for this space. It's actually mica stone, so it's real stone adhered to this wall covering, and it really adds texture, a little sparkle, which I love, and of course color, which is predominant throughout the entire home. I was at Stonehenge in England and I saw the gorgeous architecture that they have there. I decided to design my entire bed around the feeling of Stonehenge. And it almost feels like I'm in England when I'm sleeping in the bed. So now we're on the third level of the home, which is actually my main living area. And the first thing you're gonna notice is the kitchen, the heart of the home. To add even more architectural elements to my home, I added this little bump up to my kitchen countertop. And to add another shape to the room, I brought in my take on the new waterfall edge, which is this angular addition to the end of my peninsula. So not only do you have the gorgeous angular shape of it, you have the brightness and the metallic brass really making it pop. I knew the minute I walked into my home that I wanted this two-story fireplace. The room is so large, it's so voluminous, and I really needed something to bridge the gap between the living area and the loft above. But did you notice the actual fireplace itself? It is actually water vapor mist that is installed. There's no heat, but it is the look and feel of a real fireplace. I wanted the coffee table, again, on my love of shapes. Because the shapes are all individually sized, you can actually pull the coffee table apart and make it as big or as small as you want. As you look throughout my living room, dining room, and into my kitchen, you're going to see elements repeated such as color, metallics, brass, of course, all of those things that really make this one big space feel very cohesive and together. Now, if you've made it to the top of my house, the very tip top, you're going to see the reward was worth the effort. This space is my ode to old school lounge. This is a place where color, conversation, and cocktails are really important. You'll see that I extended the drapery wall to wall. It is so powerful, so impactful that I almost wanted it to feel like wallpaper. So we're all doing lots of video and Zoom calls these days, and we need to enjoy ourselves. So I designed a space that made me so happy to do my Zoom calls in. I added a console table behind the sofa, but you'll see behind me is the piece de resistance, my custom art, Dolly Parton. She's my hero in business and in life. These are all clippings from magazines that I would collect as a child. And if you look closely, you're gonna see a very happy John McClain as 13-year-old Dolly Parton singing his heart out at his dad's company picnic. Of course, yours truly went home with the grand prize in that Dolly competition. Speaking of grand prizes, I hope my home has won you over today. I really want you guys to take your home, make it your own, design it with you in mind. Cheers to great design.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.